Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add or run PHP custom code for different countries in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to execute different custom code for different countries. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write wpcode. So this is plugin wpcode. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it. So we are going to execute different custom code for different countries. And then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. And then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet. So click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. And then you can add title. And then you see code preview. Now paste code. And you'll find this code in video description or in comment section. So this is our custom code. And then you see function get underscore user underscore country. So we are going to get the user IP address. And then we are going to use ip-api.com to get the country information by using this line of code. So this is our important and compulsory function. Now you see if wp error, handle error, and then you see check if the request was successful. And then you see country code, return null. So this is our important and compulsory function. So you can add this function in your custom code. So this is your function, any custom function. But this line is important, country code. And then you see get underscore user underscore country. So by using this line of code, we are going to fetch this function. Now you see get underscore user underscore country. And then scroll down again. Again you see get the user country code. And this line is also important. Then you see if statement country code CH for Switzerland. Now you see if the user is from Switzerland. Then you can add your custom code here. So we added some custom message welcome. As if country code US for United States of America. Your PHP code for US user. So you can customize this section according to requirement. Else your PHP code for international user. Our location is Pakistan. So you can add this function in your custom code. And then you can add country code line. And then you can add if condition. And then you can add your custom code. And we are going to display this message after the header. So this is our add action hook. So you can add function and then you can add if condition in your custom code and customize this section. And then scroll down, you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive now active and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. So our location is Pakistan. Now go to cart page and refresh the page. And then on top you see hello international user because our location is Pakistan. Now go to US IP and refresh the page. Now you see US. And then you see hello American user. Now you see. So our different custom PHP code execute for different countries. Now you see for US hello American user. For other region Pakistan. Now you see hello international user. Now back to custom code. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.